So, now can you hear me, my dear? I think you can hear me clearly. This is my board, and now I'm going to write our topic. All of you write here, fill in the blanks. What is the spelling of fill? F-I-L-L. Fill, I-N. In, fill in the T-H-E, the, fill in the blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S. Already our heading is ready. Okay, dear? What I wrote, fill in the blanks. But you have to write, everybody's notebook, I know you make already margin after the two box. So I don't have like this, so I'm making one underline. This is called the underline lines. Because this underline lines is make the more clear. Okay. So first write the topic name, that is fill in the blanks. This much please write in the notebook neatly. You have to write very neatly. Yeah, I make it very close. Now everybody can see more clear. Okay, now I'm going to write the numbers. First write number 1. Already in your maths notebook, you have the margin, right? So you have to write this number, not inside, outside. Okay. Number 1. You know the number till 200. I know somebody know till 1000 also, but I will give you in between only, whatever we have the portion. So now I'm going to write 9, 10, dash, dash. Can you follow? I'm putting one comma. I told you now what time you are writing some numbers here, any two in between, you have to put the comma. Then dash, then comma again dash, 9, 10. I am putting 1, 4, 14, then one more dash. This much I made for you. This is my first question. Again, I am repeating the question. I wrote the numbers of 9, 10, dash, dash, dash. Then again I put one more number, then one more dash. First you have to make only question. Don't write the answer, my dear. Okay? Answer we'll discuss together. Okay, my dear? Now I'm going to write the number 2. Can I make my board more colorful? I can make my board more colorful, but you will use only the pencil, okay? I can use my marker. Number 2, my dear students, don't use the red color, okay? Why I'm using now this color? I just want to make my paper more colorful. Then you can see clearly. I know online it is very difficult. So if I can make the more colorful, it is easy for you to check the paper. Okay, fine. Number 2, I'm going to give 22, comma, dash, comma, dash, comma. Now I'm going to write 2, 5, 25, comma, dash, comma, again dash. Every lines, how many numbers I'm making? All lines not same. So what is my number? I think everybody can see. First I wrote 22, 2 to 22. Children, I notice some students are no what I'm writing only say 22, yeah 23. No, you have to say 2 to 22, 2, 3, 23. It is more effective, you know. Then you can anytime if anybody asks you any number, if you learn like this way, you cannot forget. Easily you can give the answer. So 22, then I put the dash, comma, dash, then I wrote 25. Then I put again comma, dash and dash. Okay, this is my number 2. Now again I going to write the number 3. Number 3 is, now see, gradually I am going to the bigger number. First I gave the small number, the little big. Now I'm going to the bigger number. Now I can write the 39 comma dash dash. Then I can write the 42 comma dash dash. Okay. See, my lines are going down. I don't like this because I don't have box. No, I'm writing in a white plain paper. But you have nice notebook, no, like a square box. So your handwriting will come more beautiful, right? This is number 3. Whatever I wrote again. I'm going to repeat number 39, comma. See, I'm saying comma. Why? Otherwise, you will not put comma, dash, comma, dash. Then I wrote 42, dash, comma, dash. Okay. This is the number 3. Now I'm going to write the number 4. I can use my blue marker also. Number 4. 63 dash dash dash. How many dash I gave? 1, 2, 3. Just, my dear, check your notebook also. What time you are writing, no? Same. Don't miss any dash also. Then number also will come wrong. What I wrote? 63 dash, comma dash, comma dash. Now I can write one number. 67, comma dash. That one also completed. Everybody can see my board. One more I will give. Okay, then we will solve. Then we can solve our maths. So number 5. First I will make the question, my dear. Now number 5 is 119, 120, comma dash, comma dash, comma dash. How many dash I gave? 1, 2, 3. Blanks, we are writing a fill in the blanks. This blanks means this blank place. Okay. 119, 20. Then I can write 124. Right? Just let me check. Yes, absolutely right. Then put a comma, one more dash. Okay. I gave you only the 5 maths. I gave you only the 5 maths. You have time. Don't worry. First write neatly the all questions. I'm taking more close. Okay, no. If I will take, you cannot see the all maths. Yes. So today our topic is fill in the blanks. Right? Already we wrote our date there, but maybe this skin only you can see. So better I will write here also. 3rd February. And this is our date. And our topic is fill in the blanks. Okay. If your questions are ready, just show me the thumb. Okay. If your questions are ready, please show me the thumb. Yeah, Alia and Arafat already done. Yes. Yes, children, try to write little fast because it is nothing, only the numbers. Right? Yes. Now you can see more clear, right? Now one by one, I will give you chance to give me the answer. Alia. Alia, make you unmute, my dear.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. Alia, for you, I will ask you. This is now. What is the first question, Baba? What I wrote? Can you read the number? Look at your notebook. Don't look at my screen. Look at your notebook. Why I'm saying in that way you are 100% sure.
9.
One second. If you'll check your notebook, what time you will read your notebook, I will check my board. If both number are same, means you are writing in correct way. Okay. Now tell me what you wrote in your notebook. Tell me.
9.
9. Then
10.
okay. Now after 9, 10, which number will come here, my dear?
11.
How to write 11? I don't know the number. Can you help me?
Okay.
No, 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 no. You have to write the numbers, not spelling, my dear. 11 means I have to write how? 2, 1, 11, yeah, 1, 1, 11.
1, 1.
That one,
11.
that one I'm
Yeah.
asking. You have to say 1, 1, 11. Very good. Arafat, tell me after that, which number will come here, Arafat? Arafat, tell me.
12. 12.
How to write, my dear? Help me. How to write 12?
1, 2, 12.
Good, excellent. I want like this way you have to say. So 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. Now Alia, tell me which number will come here? Alia, tell me.
1, 3, 30.
Very good. 1, 3, 13. After that, which number can you see here? What I wrote?
40.
Okay, now Arafat, tell me after 14, which number will come here, Arafat?
1, 5, 50.
Excellent. Very good. Make you mute, my dear. So our first fill in the blanks now completed. Now there is no blanks. Already we fill. See, blank place already we fill. That's why its name is fill in the blanks. Already we done our first one. Now you can read like this 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is just counting number. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now I am going to ask, just let me check. I want to ask Ahmad. Ahmad, can you make you unmute?
Yes, teacher.
What you wrote number 2? Check your notebook. Don't look at my board. Okay. What you wrote in your notebook? Please check number 2. Read the question.
22.
Okay. After 22, which number will come, my dear?
23.
How to write 23? 2.
2, 3.
Very good. After 23, which number will come?
24.
Very good. Now make you mute. Very good. This much Ahmed. 20.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. 22, 23, 24. Very good. So this much our Ahmed did. Now I'm going to ask Modina. Modina, make you unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you read from here, my dear? Already we done half. Can you read from here? Yes. Tell me.
22, 23, 24, 25,
Then.
26,
Very good. How to write 26? I don't know. How to
26.
Very good. 2, 6, 26. After that, one more blank is there. Tell me the next one.
27, 27.
Excellent, Madina. Excellent. You follow my way also. Excellent. Very good. So make you mute, my dear. Make you mute. Our children are now
Thank you, teacher.
welcome. Now my children are really very disciplined. I'm very happy. I know you are very good. Now I'm going to ask whom. I can ask Hasibul. Hasibul, make you unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Now, can you read the question number 3? Can you read? Yes, check your notes.
29,
Yes, check your.
40, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 40,
Stop,
43, 44, 44.
my dear. I said stop. Why are you saying all together? Not like that, my dear. You are correct. Your answer is absolutely correct. But I told you stop. Because 39, just I want to explain one thing. After 39, Hasibul know after 39, 40 will come. But you know, some students have little bit confusion here. I know, I have the good experience. Some students having confusion after this number like 29, 69, 79, which number will come? I can give you one easy way, you know, how to solve this one, those having the problem. Just keep in the mind. First number is 3. So write the next number after 3, 4 will come. And which number is this? 9. Just keep in your mind after 9, 0 will come. So what I said, if you have any confusion after like this number like 69, 79, 89, if you have little bit confusion, which number will come? I know some students having this problem. For them, very easy way, just see the first number. Which number is there? Just write the next number, the same place. Here, this is the ones place, this is the 10 place. Just say, if you, this after 3, 4 will come. But if you write 4, your that side, then absolutely wrong. So keep in your mind same place. Just change the numbers, but don't change the place. After 3, 4 will come. After 9, always keep in your mind 0 will come. Very good. Now already he gave me the answer 4, 1, 41, right? After 41, okay. Make you mute, my dear. Make you mute. I am going to ask now. I know you all knows this answer. Jamil. Jamil, make you unmute. Jamil, make you unmute.
Yes.
Okay, my dear. Already we done 39, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42. After 42, which number will come? Please tell me.
42,
Check your notebook. What I have to write here, my dear?
43.
Very good. 43. 43, 43. After 43, which number will come? Fast, my dear. We don't have it.
44.
Excellent. 4, 4, 44. So our number 3 also fill in the blanks completed. Before it is blank, but it is now full. Very good. Now, actually, I want to ask everyone, but don't have time. Okay, because our time is almost completed. So next one, I want to ask Jainab. Jainab, make you mute, unmute. First, Jainab. Jainab, yes, read the number 4. Jainab?
63.
Yes.
6, 4, 64. 6, 5, 65.
Stop. 6, 5, 65. So we got 63, 64, 65. This much already we got. Make you mute, Jainab. Make you mute. Just I want to ask the Khadija. Khadija, make you unmute fast. Khadija, tell me.
Yes, teacher.
63, 64, 65. That much our Jainab said. After 65, which number will come, my dear?
Okay. 66.
66. Very good. Read from here. 63.
63, 64. 65. 66, 67, 68.
Very good. 68. Already we complete our number 8 also. Make you mute. Only one more is there. I want to ask actually some students, but you know, What time I'm taking like this class, I cannot see actually everybody. My full screen, only the, I cannot see everybody's name. So that is the main problem. What names is coming front, I can ask them. Dia and Devi. Dia and Devi, make you unmute. Quickly, quickly, my dear. Dia Devi, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Read the number 5, my dear. Fast, fast, fast. Yes.
109.
No. Check again, my dear. It's the 9. No, my dear. See, it's a very good point. I can teach you here something else. Right. Here is the 3 numbers. All of you, all my students, please follow me. All of you, please listen to me. Here are 3 numbers. No, first write here ones, 10, and 100. What I wrote? O, T, and H. What is the meaning of O? O means ones. Ones means what? Ones means only single number, right? 1 to 9. Always only single number is coming. So here all is the ones. T means what? TEN, 10. You know, not 10. 10 means 1010 to 99. Till we have only 2-digit number. It's called the 10. Then 100. 100 three numbers. 100, 100 to 999. These are 3 numbers. So how to read now? Now it is easy for you. You see, Dia and Devi, you have confusion how to say. Now look, 100. How I'm saying? I'm just taking the number from down and going to the up. 100. Here I told you, these two numbers together you have to say. 119. How to say? Tell.
90.
Okay. Then next number. Okay.
121.
121. Okay. 121 is called the 121. After that, which number will come? Devi, quickly. After 21, which number will come?
121.
Yes.
123.
No.
20.
No, dear. 22. 100 of 21, 121, 122. After that, 123. You skip only one number, that is 22. After that, I wrote 124. So, last number, which number will come here, my dear? Tell me. Tell me.
124. 125.
Very good. 125. This is our today's fill in the blanks. I hope you enjoyed the class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Some are not getting chance, see dear. Like this way, we cannot get chance to everyone. But again, anytime Mukta teacher will give you chance. Don't worry. So now what you learn today in the class, we learn. Already we know the counting number, we know the before number, after number, then we know the between number, all things we know very well. Okay, so we play with all the numbers. This is like a game, this is like a game. So what we do, we take all the numbers and then we make some fill in the blanks. Okay, including all the numbers, we make some fill in the blanks. So in this fill in the blanks, already we know the counting number, we know the blanks how to fill, we know the after number also, we can tell the before number also. If I will say here 40, here nothing, you can tell the before number also. So everything we can learn in this way. Yes, am I right? So our class is almost over. Rifat also showing me hands. Okay, raise the hands. Merabai, no. Everybody want to give me the answer. So don't worry. This is only 5 numbers I gave you. Na? One day I will make one class very good, Jainab. That day I will make so many fill in the blanks for you. Everybody will get chance. Okay. Mariam. Mariam, tell me, today morning also you attend the class? First period you attend in the class? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. I will check. So very good. And now today one more class also I